We are a consulting company called G&H Incorporation that deals with the use and implementation of e-commerce into companies' marketing strategies. This presentation will give you an insight into how Vera Wang, a New York-based fashion designer, can utilize e-commerce to create a more distinct online presence. Vera Wang is an American fashion designer, mainly known for her wedding gowns, but she also designs evening wear jewelry, shoes, eyewear, and fragrances. Vera Wang shops could implement new technologies to engage their customers with the content of their store and create a new customer experience that combines online and offline shopping. What they could do is install an audience touchpoint solution. This is an interactive screen through which customers can browse for information. These touchpoints can play videos, present products, and provide a more interactive experience for buyers. Vera Wang can implement this technology in their boutiques so that their customers can view commercials or browse through their collection and pick out the products that they want to view and their purchase, and then find out information about them straight away. This would also make shopping a faster and more efficient procedure. Vera Wang has bridal stores in New York, Tokyo, London, and Sydney, but has licensed retailers where other designs are sold in numerous countries around the world. We propose that the company opens new bridal boutiques in Milan, Italy, and Paris, France, as these are both countries with a rich fashion industry and history. In addition, Italian and French people are known to spend a lot of time and money on their appearance. Also, the company already has some licensed retailers in these countries, so this could improve their brand positioning. In order to create a stronger online presence, Vera Wang should use the following strategies for using internet market. They should make more extensive use of their social media by posting more on their Twitter and Facebook page, and also by developing apps for users. They could do this by developing a system that's similar to the one Pinterest uses, where customers can choose the type of styles they like, and then the app will suggest products that the customers might like. Furthermore, they could create an online store for items that do not require personal fittings, such as bridal accessories. They could even create an online service where customers can provide their measurements and choose the dress that they want to purchase and then have it delivered to them. On their online store, they could also create a search tool through which the customers can narrow down their search according to the wedding dress styles. They could also establish connections with other companies that provide wedding services and provide it to their customers online. Finally, they could also use more extensive online advertisement on sites such as Facebook to reach a greater customer base. Here are some examples of some Vera Wang wedding gowns. First, we will provide an overview of the advantages and disadvantages of clicks and bricks versus clicks only for customers and companies, and then suggest which strategy Vera Wang should follow. Clicks and bricks is a business model utilized by companies which provides both online and offline services to their customers. This has several advantages and disadvantages for both the companies and their customers. The advantages of clicks and bricks for customers is that those who are not comfortable with technology can physically purchase a product in the store. If a customer does not find an item available in the store, then they can order this desired product online. For companies, physical stores allow the company to establish a personal contact with their customers and create an opportunity for them to provide a good customer experience. Furthermore, physical stock left in the stores can still be sold online. However, this business model also has its disadvantages, namely that it requires more work to provide both online and offline services, and having physical stores means an increase in expenses such as electricity, rent, staff, and water. Clicks only is a business model by which companies only utilize the online channels to provide their services and/or sell their products. Its main advantage to the company is that it lowers overall company expenses. To most customers, clicks only provides an easy method of purchasing products online, and if they do not fit, they can send the purchased items back. However, this method also has its disadvantages. Many customers prefer to try their products out before buying them, especially when they are expensive. For most companies, the clicks only can mean weaker positioning as they do not have a physical presence in the streets. Vera Wang currently uses the clicks and bricks business model, as they have physical stores in several cities, but they also have a website, www.verawang.com, where they display their collections. However, they do not have an online store where customers can purchase items without going to the store itself. We would propose that the company establishes an online store where products that do not require fittings, such as accessories and fragrances, can be bought.
Wedding Dish is brought to you by Noritake, the world's renowned leader in fine tableware. Visit noritake.com, browse, and then link to your favorite bridal registration site.
In order to implement the strategies mentioned before, for using the internet market, the company should contact application developers and hire IT and marketing staff to manage these operations and strategies. An example of a successful company in the same line of business that uses the same strategy is Kleinfeld Bridal. They have a strong online presence and utilize the social media very well. They use Twitter, Facebook, and emails, which they update very often, to reach their customers. Kleinfeld Bridal also has extensive connections in the wedding industry, and on their website they list companies that deal with wedding music, event planning, bridal registry, cakes and stylists, to make it easier for their customers to plan their weddings.